Welcome to Launch and Learn podcast by Join Momentum. In today's episode, we'll dive into careers development in tech, mentorship, networking, and continuous learning. I'm Artur, Imre, a quality assurance tester at Join Momentum, and I'm excited to be here with my colleagues Chibuikem and Stanislav. Let's start by getting to know them a bit better. Chibuikem, Stanislav, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Stanislav, and I'm a recent graduate with a degree in computer science, and I'm currently working as a DevOps engineer at Join Momentum company.
Thank you, Stanislav. Chibuikem?
Okay, so I am Chibuikem Obetta. I'm currently a student and a full stack developer at John Momentum. I'm pursuing a degree in medicine and surgery.
That's good, thank you. So together we'll explore how these key elements, mentorship, networking, and continuous learning can help elevate your career to new heights. Mentorship, often cited as one of the key factors in career growth, but what does it really mean in the context of tech roles? Let's explore that with our colleague. Over to you, Stanislav.
Okay, thank you, Arthur. So maybe we should start with what role has mentorship played in my career development. So to be honest, mentorship has been cornerstone in my career, especially in the field as dynamic and ever evolving as DevOps. So early on, when I was still navigating the complexities of CI and CD pipelines, cloud infrastructure, and various automation tools, having a mentor who had already walked that path was available. So they helped me avoid common mistakes, pitfalls, and gave me some insights into best practices that aren't always covered in some online courses or textbooks. So, however, it wasn't just about technical guidance. So my mentors taught me how to think properly about systems, how to approach problem solving in a holistic way, and how to communicate effectively with both technical and non-technical teams. So these soft skills have been just crucial as the technical ones in my day-to-day work. Yeah, and as I progressed in my career, I also trying to mentoring others, and it helped me to improve my soft skills, to improve my maybe knowledge, to deep dive more in the tech stack that I learned, and much more. So to sum up, in short, mentorship has been a two-way street for me, providing guidance when I needed it, and offering me to give back as I gained experience. Yeah, so that's all for that. And maybe I should discuss how a mentorship differs between developers, DevOps engineers, and QA testers. So, for developers, I think mentorship often revolves around writing efficient, maintainable code, understanding design patterns, and mastering maybe specific programming languages and frameworks. Uh, there's also a strong focus on code reviews because it's important, uh, maybe pair programming and learning how to think algorithmically. Yeah, and a mentor in this space, I think, might guide a developer in navigating in a large code bases, maybe improving debugging skills or adapting best practices for software architecture. Yeah, for a DevOps engineer, mentorship is more about system thinking and bigger pictures. So it's less about writing individual code lines and more about how all the things moving parts like CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as code, monitoring, and automation. So it's come together to deliver software readably and at scale. So for QA testers, on the other hand, benefit from mentorship that sharpens their skill in test automation, understanding of testing methodologies, and ability to think from a user and from the user perspective. A mentor in QA might focus on teaching how to design effective test cases using testing tools, testing frameworks, or implement test automation strategies. And maybe you should ask what you advise, what you give to someone looking for a mentor in a tech industry. To be honest, finding the right mentor, it can be a game changer in your tech career, but it can also feel a bit daunting at first. I think I should give maybe some advice to anyone looking a mentor in tech. Firstly, I think that you should be clear about what you want to achieve. Maybe are you looking to improve specific technical skills or learn more about particular technology or gain insight into career progression? So it's various things. So it's important to know your goals, and it will help you to identify the right mentor, someone who has experience and expertise in areas you are looking for to grow. Yeah, and of course, don't be afraid to reach out. Um, Sometimes people hesitate to ask for mentorship because they very worry about imposing. But in my experience, many professionals are more than willing to help, especially if they see that you are um, genuinely eager to learn and grow in your tech field here. And start by reaching out to people whose work you admire, whether they are in your company or part of your professional network, or even someone you connected with online in LinkedIn, for example. Yeah, and maybe I should talk about specific example of how mentorship positively impacted in my career. So I have one experience that really stands out. is when I was a beginner into a DevOps role from a more traditional system admin background. So I learned a lot of disciplines in my university that is related to DevOps. For example, networking, cloud technologies, and operating systems. So this course laid the groundwork, but my real hands-on experience started when I joined to one outsourcing company as an intern, and this was where I began to put theory into practice and build new skills in the DevOps space. So I was lucky to have a few exceptional mentors during this time. They instilled me the habit of constantly asking myself why is done in this way. They encourage me to start from the root of problem to truly understand the fundamentals rather than getting caught up in a surface level solution. So one of most valuable lessons they taught me was not to become overly focused on tools. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that uh, mm, mastering every tool is a key to success. But they helped me to see that tools are just one of many resources to solve the problem. The real value I think lies in understanding the underlying principles and knowing how to apply them flexibly to different situations. It's related to DevOps engineering or your developer, front-end or back-end developer, doesn't matter, or you even a QA testers. So yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to talk about.
Thank you, Stanislav. Chibuikem, now we're gonna talk about.
Networking strategies for career growth. Thank you, Artur, for the opportunity. Okay, so networking in tech is a topic that can't be overemphasized because it's really important. Networking is not all up. It's not just about sending LinkedIn connection or exchanging a business card. It's more about building a relationship with someone that can help you grow professionally. Because the tech field is it's really broad and it's always evolving. So your network can provide support, mentorship, and other opportunities that you may not find elsewhere. So, firstly, for you to really take your mentorship, your networking to a good extent, you need to start with a purpose. You don't just try to create a network for no reason. You need to know and identify your goals. What do you want? If you want to learn new skills, find a mentor, discover a job, get opportunities, or you just want to know about what's going on. Knowing what you want and your purpose will help you focus on building a relationship that can help you with that purpose. Then the second thing is that okay, you should leverage online platforms. Well, everyone knows LinkedIn, but not just LinkedIn. You can network through LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, Stack Overflow. Like these are places that you can connect with professionals in your field, and it really helps. You should just know how to make the most of these platforms. For LinkedIn, yeah, you have to optimize your profile, a very good professional photo, detailed experience where necessary, and then a good headline. And then you can also improve your networking by sharing people's posts, commenting on their posts, and then joining some groups. You can join groups for developers, share your ideas, showcase your projects. This can actually go a way in setting you in front there for networking. Then for GitHub, you should showcase your project and collaborate with other people because the more you collaborate, the bigger your network grows. You have a larger amount of people that you can say these people are part of your network, and it doesn't just grow your network, also highlights your skills because the more you build, the better you get. Then for Twitter, Networking just basically about connecting with developers, all these people that usually make very insightful posts. You can connect with them, send them useful messages and meaningful messages. Then you can also attend events, webinars, conferences, hackathons, meetups. These places are really good places where you can meet people that align with you to connect with them and grow your network. You can learn, share knowledge, and establish connections with people here that influence your career. And then you can also join associations or professionals. And then yeah, meetups, hackathons. These are really really good events that can help you in your social background for networking and stuff. Another thing I need to add is that for networking, you have to be authentic and you have to add value, because you cannot want to connect and network with somebody if you don't have anything to offer. You should have something to offer, because it's a win-win situation. You give and you receive. I have something to give you, you have something to give me. So we both exchange and add value to each other. That's the best form of networking, and those kind of network last for a very long time. So you have to focus on adding value to make your relationship mutually beneficial. And it's not all about creating a network. When you start a network, you have to follow and maintain it. Because if you just network with somebody, connect, send a message, and then that's it, that's not actually a good networking strategy. You have to follow up. Every once in a while, you can send a message, how it stopped going. You can share an article related to your conversation. You can share a project you worked on. Like, consistency in communication actually keeps the relationship active, and this will enable you to have future opportunities that that person can link you with. And then finally, joining professional organizations. There are various professional organizations that you can join that can help your networking efforts, like the ACM, Association of Computing Machinery, and then Institute of Electronics Engineers, or their local tech clubs that can provide you with professionals and resources that can help with your career growth. Then finally, you should seek out mentorship. Networking is not just horizontal. It's not just networking with people that are on your level. You can actually network with people that are above you. Just that you have to show, just as Stanislav said, you have to show that you are willing to learn. Because it's when you are willing to learn that a mentor will actually have the zeal to put you through your career. They will put you through, provide you with insight, advice, and other connections that can help you for your development. So you don't just think about mentorship being a horizontal something. It's a two-way street. You should be willing to listen, learn, and also give back. In conclusion, networking requires efforts, authenticity. It's a give and take relationship. You get, so for you to build a strong network, you have to have value that you're going to give to others, and you grow yourself by growing others. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for listening to my talk on mentorship. And Arthur, you can take it here and talk about continuous learning and how you can be relevant and competitive. Thank you.
Thank you, Chibuikem. I think we should have a break now, and after that, we come back and then do my site and then wrap it up and finish.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Cash My Skills consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
Unlock your potential with Growth Academy. Whether you're looking to advance in product management, data science, or marketing, our top-rated courses are designed to help you succeed. Learn from industry experts through interactive lessons, real-world simulations, and practical projects. Join a global community of learners and earn recognized certifications that can boost your career. Enroll now and start your journey with Growth Academy.
Thank you, Chibuikem and Stanislav, for joining us today and sharing your insights. And to our listeners, welcome back to Launch and Learn podcast, where we dive deep into the world of technology and personal growth. I'm your co-host, Artur, and today we are continuing talking about something crucial for everyone in the tech industry: continuous learning. Whether you're a seasoned developer, DevOps engineer, or QA tester, or someone exploring a career in tech, continuous learning is the key to staying relevant and thriving in the fast-paced world. In tech, the landscape changes rapidly, and the ability to adapt, learn, and grow is what sets successful professionals apart. Let's start by discussing why continuous learning is so important in the tech industry. So in the tech industry is one of the fastest moving sectors out there. What's cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow or irrelevant. New programming languages, frameworks, and technologies are constantly emerging, and if we don't keep up, we risk becoming obsolete and lose our job. But continuous learning isn't just about staying employed; it's about staying engaged, being excited, and being innovative in your work. When you learn a new skill and explore new technologies, you're better equipped to solve problems creatively and push the boundaries of what's possible. Now, when we talk about learning, we often think about formal educations, diplomas, certificates, but in tech, learning isn't confined to the classroom. It's, in fact, self-directed learning, picking up a new skill on your own. It's often just as important, if not more so. Formal educations give you a strong foundation, but in self-directed learning that allows you to keep pace with the industry, there are two complement things what they are helping each other. You might get a degree in computer science, but learn a new programming language on your own through an online course. Both forms of learning are valuable and necessary. So when so where can you go to continue learning in tech? Thankfully, we are living in a golden age of online education. There are so many resources available that you can access anytime, anywhere. Platforms like Join Momentum, Coursera, Udemy, edX offer a wide range of courses of everything from data science to software engineering. These platforms are fantastic for structured learning, and many of them even offer certification upon completion. If you're looking for more specialized tech learning, check out Join Momentum, Pluralsight, Code Academy, and LinkedIn Learning. These platforms focus on coding, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and other tech skills. But this doesn't stop there. Blogs, podcasts, and social media can be just as valuable. Following industry blogs helps you to stay informed about the latest trends, while through leaders on Twitter and LinkedIn can offer real-time insights as well. Webinars are another excellent resources, how Chibuikem gave a sample as well. They are often free and provide the opportunity to learn directly from experts. Now, we all know that time is limited resource, especially when you're juggling work, family, and your personal life. So, how does it fit learning into a busy schedule in our life? One effective strategy is micro learning, breaking down learning into small, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to complete an entire course in one go, dedicate 15-30 minutes a day to learning. This could be during your morning coffee or while you're going to work or just before bed. Consistency is the key, and over time, these small efforts add up. Another strategy is to set clear learning goals. What do you want to achieve in the next month? What do you want to achieve in the next 3 months or half a year or 1 year? Maybe you want to learn a new programming language, or perhaps you're aiming for a certification, what I believe is very important in our tech industry. Whether it is, write it down and track your progress. This not only keeps you motivated, but also helps measure your growth over time. As someone who just started as a tech as a QA engineer, I'm quickly realizing that keeping up with industry trends isn't enough. You really need to stay ahead the curve. So the tech world is constantly evolving, and that includes in quality assurance as well. Emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, and cloud computing are not just buzzwords. They are shaping the future of how we develop and test software. For me, staying updated on these trends means being proactive. I'm making an effort to learn about new tools and methodologies that could improve the way I approach the quality assurance and testing. For example, AI-driven testing is becoming more common, and understanding how to implement it could make a big difference in my role. I found that participating in hackathons or contributing to open source projects can be a great way to gain hands-on experience with these new technologies. It's not just about learning, it's about collaborating with others and applying those skills in real world scenarios. Plus, it's a great way to build my portfolio and show potential employers that I'm serious about my growth. I'm also considering earning certifications that are relevant to my career. For example, certification like ISTQB for testing, or cloud certification like AWS can really set you apart. These credentials not only validate your expertise, but also show that you're committed to continuous learning, which is essential in our field that's always changing. Overall, I'm learning that continuous learning isn't just an option, it's a necessity in tech. Whether it's mastering a new programming language, staying updated with the industry trends, or exploring emerging technologies, I know that staying curious and committed to learning will help me remain competitive and innovative in my career as a QA engineer. Don't forget, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. What I believe is once you learn something, that dies with you. So thank you for joining us today in this enlightening discussion. As we learned today, mentorship, networking, and continuous learning aren't the building blocks of thriving in tech career. These aren't just concepts to talk about, they are actionable steps that can propel your journey forward. A huge thank you to my colleagues Stanislav and Chibuikem for joining us today, to their invaluable insights, and to you, to our listeners, for being a part of this conversation. Remember, growth is a constant process. To stay curious, stay connected, and keep pushing your boundaries. Until the next time, continue stay striving for excellence and never stop learning. Thank you, guys.
Next episode on Join Momentum Launch and Learn podcast.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Unlock your potential with Growth Academy. Whether you're looking to advance in product management, data science, or marketing, our top-rated courses are designed to help you succeed. Learn from industry experts through interactive lessons, real-world simulations, and practical projects. Join a global community of learners and earn recognized certifications that can boost your career. Enroll now and start your journey with Growth Academy.
In your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Cash My Skills Consultation App waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.